Welcome to everyone, my name is Sam and in this video we are going to play a quiz. So the quiz having the 10 question and 10 seconds to answer it. Just comment your answer in the comment box after each question and let's see how many answer get right, and answer key will display at the end of the video. Let's begin the quiz. So your first question on your screen. The science of classification of organism is called as your option A, astronology, option B, anatomy, option C, taxonomy, and option D, morphology. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Just comment your answer in the below comment box. Let's begin the second question. Which statement is incorrect as a function of Nyaya Panchayat? Option A, it maintains the village school. Option B, it runs the health center. Option C, it gives the loan to the farmer. And option D, all of this above. And comment your answer. You have 10 seconds, start right now. Let's play the third question. Who was known as the frontier of Gandhi? So option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Ali brother. Option C, Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. And option D, Jinnah. You have 10 seconds to answer. Comment your answer in below. So fourth question, who was called as a grand old man of the Indian Congress? Option A, Lala Rajpat Roy. Option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi. And option D, Dadabhai Naoroji. You have 10 seconds to answer this one. Comment your answer. So let's begin the fifth question. Who was the Deshbandhu? So your options are A, Lala Rajpat Roy. Option B, Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C, Chittaranjan Das. And option D, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. You have 10 seconds to answer. Comment your answer. Sixth question. The rock which is the harder than its original constitution is option A, sedimental rock. Option B, igneous rock. Option C, metamorphic rock. And option D, coal. Comment your answer. 10 seconds, start right now. So seventh question, which environmental pollution has taken up place on a large scale in option A, rural areas only, option B, industrial and urban areas, option C, urban area only, and option D, all of this above. So you have 10 seconds, start right now. Next question, 8th. The release of water vapor from the leaves is. So your options A, evaporation, B, transpiration, option C, forest, and option D, the dew. So you have 10 seconds, start right now. So 9th question, what is the source of income of Panchayat? Option A, house tax. Option B, education tax. Option C, income tax. And option D, transport tax. So you have 10 seconds to answer this one. Start right now. Last question, that is the 10th question. A joint sitting of the two houses is called as the member of parliament. The first one option it is option B, the joint section. Option C, the speaker of Lok Sabha. And option D, defense minister. Your 10 seconds start right now. So answer key is displayed beside me. Just check your answer. How many score you have been done. Just comment below. Let's see how many have scored out of out. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you in next video.